So hi, I really like cubing, and this is my first ever speed cube. I got the Rubik's brand, which isn't a really good cube, a few months ago, but now I finally got a speed cube. This is available on Daily Puzzles and Speed Cube Shop for both $8 US and Australian. Okay,
Let's unbox it.
See. So I'm pretty sure we have a pen flip.
Oh, that's epic.
And
Then we have a tube. Wow. Okay, this is
a really good
epic.
cube. Feels a bit sandy right now.
Look at that. Move on.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna just do a solve. It's really smooth, but out of the box it's a bit sandy. After a while, it'll get better.